Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name's Spades, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down DashDirect. DashDirect is a mobile app which is available for download on both iOS and Android devices. If you're not familiar with what Dash is a cryptocurrency which allows for instant transactions and minimal fees for under 1 cent. DashDirect is their direct app which allows you to spend your Dash at 155,000 retailers in the United States. This app alone is revolutionary and that it provides a bridge between retailers and cryptocurrencies. Now, when you first launch the app after download, you will be greeted with a home screen. At the bottom left, you can check and see exactly where you are on the Dash menus. Looking at the home screen, you will see an all, nearby, and online heading. All is every single one of those retailers that accepts Dash's payment through this app. It will be listed from A to Z alphabetically. If you want to look and view any nearby retailers that may accept Dash and offer discounts, simply click the nearby and wait for it to load. You can now scroll up and down and see exactly which retailers will accept your Dash as payment while offering you a discount. Similar for the online tab, if you don't want to go in person to shop, you can always click online and buy items there. Once you've chosen exactly which retailer you would like to purchase from, simply click it, scroll down, it will tell you specifically how to use this gift card. Purchase gift card, you want to select the exact amount, so type in the exact amount, click next, and it will tell you exactly how much you'll save when purchasing that gift card. Simply click purchase gift card and click proceed. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around and watching. Hope you learned something new about Dash and DashDirect. Hopefully in the future, we'll see cryptocurrency like Dash as a main payment for anything and everything that we need in our daily lives. DashDirect is definitely making it easier, and you can save money while doing so. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts about Dash. Give me a follow on Twitter, I'll have it linked in the description. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.